Hello. It seems that I have a sty in my eye. But don't worry, I will not cry, because I have a little sty in my eye. And I wonder why I have a sty in my eye. I've never had one, and now I do. I wonder what to do. I think that maybe, though I have a sty in my eye, I'll just sit down and eat a piece of pie. There you are. And that's how the day goes. Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I think you've already heard my little sty story. And yeah, I've never had one before, and boom, I've got one. And oh, look at it, it's quite pretty, right? But yeah, I woke up this morning and next thing I know, I'm going, hey, my eye hurts a little bit. And then I looked at it and I was like, holy Toledo, you have a sty. And so there you are. A fun little thing to have, right? Well, better than a lot of other things in life. So I'm not worried. So I'll just have to treat it and eat my pie. So watch the video today. If you don't mind, you can hit the like button. You can do the subscribe situation. And you can also hit the bell for notification. Right? And it's just another little black and white drawing. I had a really good time with it. And you'll notice how I changed it as it was going. I tried one little idea and I went, oh gosh, no. And then I went back to something else and I was like, perfect, right on the money. So enjoy, all right? And stop looking at my sty. Well, there you are. Little dude watching a bird in a tree, right? And you can get whatever you get from it. Anyways, I really had a good time doing it. It's lots of fun. There's that eye with the little sty. I wonder why. I still think I'll go and eat a piece of pie. So today, be cool like a big bull moose. And remember, Your pants.